Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock protected Excel worksheets or Excel files. So here's the scenario. You've created a perfect dashboard for your team, and to prevent others from accidentally or intentionally making changes to the dashboard, you go to the Review tab and protect either this sheet or the entire workbook with multiple sheets. You enter your password to protect the sheet. Excel asks you to enter it twice. You confirm the password, and now the sheet is protected. It doesn't allow you to make any changes to the sheet. The problem is you can leave this a month later, come back to it, and you've forgotten the password, and you need to add or modify the dashboard. So what do you do to unlock the workbook? The first thing you need to do is to make a copy of your file. To back it up, just copy and paste, because you can easily get your file corrupted in this process. So next, click on the file and rename the extension from .slsx to .zip. Click yes on the warning. And this has created a zip file containing XML files and settings of the Excel workbook. Open the zip file and go to the XL folder. If you protected the entire workbook, you are interested in this file. But in this case, I protected one worksheet. So if I go to the worksheet file, the sheet I protected is sheet 1. Now I can't make changes to this file in the zipped folder, so I can copy it and put it on my desktop. We are going to modify this XML file. So on the desktop, right click and open it with Notepad. You are looking for the word protect or protection. So this XML tag is where your password resides. So just highlight it from the greater than sign to the less than sign of that tag and delete. Now save, and then we can go back, copy the updated file and replace it in our zip file. So paste it here, copy and replace. Now once that is done, we've removed the password protection on the file. We can rename it back to XL format, XLSX extension. Again, click yes on the warning, and that's it. We can now open our file, and now we can make changes to our dashboard. The file is no longer protected. As a bonus tip, you can use the same technique to unlock a restricted Word file. So make a copy of the Word document, rename it to a .zip file, go to the Word folder and copy out the settings.xml file for Word. Open it with Notepad and again look for protect. Highlight the protection tag. Do this carefully, delete it, and then save. Now we can copy back the settings file to replace the one in our zip folder. If for any reason you don't see this file extensions on your own computer, go to View, Show, and then check this file name extensions option. Thank you for watching. If you've learned something new from this video, please give it a like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel for future videos.